Kumar and I am a student at the advanced level from the Paragon Academy, Badin. So today the topic of my presentation that why the poor people are poor and the rich people are rich, but some poor people are become rich. So my point of view about this that firstly we are take why the poor people are poor. So I give you example that when you are go you see poor people who are dodging in traffics and you see you give the 10 rupees they purchase the unhygienic thing, because the poor peoples are also use money negatively. And now we are take the poor people become rich. It's the I already tell you the example of Bill Gates, also poor and after they make rich. So it's the same. When we are poor, everyone born in poor, but some people are struggle and some people are struggling, and after they are make a rich person. And so we must be that we are struggle in our life to become successful person. Thanks.